So this is the drill press. We use this to drill holes in all variety of materials, mainly wood and aluminum. The basic operations of this tool are, this is your chuck, okay? You have your chuck key, and you will load and unload bits in and out of this with the key, okay? When you've done that, you put the guard over it, and you turn the machine on. With the machine on, depending on your material and your bit, you'll have to change the speed. So you bring the speed down by turning this knob counterclockwise. You bring the speed up by turning it clockwise. Okay? To plunge into a piece of material, you make sure your material is well held down. That can be with your hand. We have a vise, or bigger material, we have clamps. Make sure the material is secure, and you plunge down through it. Just like that. When you're done, you lift it back up, then shut the machine off. And that's the basic operation of the drill press. So these are the bits for the drill press. These paddle bits are for drilling fairly large holes in wood only. These are for drilling precision holes in wood. And these will drill, depending on the type of bit, will drill wood, metal, doesn't matter. And this is for large diameter holes. You also see clamps, and we have our vise that is used to hold smaller parts for the drill press. And that's the basic tools for the drill press.